Hello.
Hi, Haas.
Can you get this clunker out of my shop, please? All right, well, Bobby's in the shop working on her car. I want to show you guys. Wait, do you want to see my parts I painted? And you want to come judge my paint job?
I'd love to right now.
Come judge my paint job. Bobby's really extremely mad at me right now because I called her out for ruining her tint on her windshield. She scratched it and she got mad at me for it. Go ahead, try to roast me.
Looks pretty nice.
Even when you're mad at me, they look nice. See my new big scoop?
Yeah.
Pretty sweet.
Looks good.
Thanks, bro. Give me nugs.
Babe.
Yes?
No, I'm babe, not bro.
Oh. So here's how they look outside. It's not really sunny out, so you can't see the pearl or the greens and blues all that much, but they look really good. I'm pretty hyped. All right, I'm gonna get this car out of the shop so we can actually work on this thing a little bit better. That battery has been dead for like 6 months now, so I finally am charging it up. But let's get a cold start for the boys. Can you film a cold start for the boys? So that's how the scoop looks on the car. I know it looks kind of funny right now with stock headlights and not that low and no front lip, but trust me guys, when it all comes together, well, what I'm trying to say is when it's finished up, it's all gonna come together. Come let me know what you think of my new scoop.
It's starting to look a lot like a soup.
Yes. Take a look at the car. What do you think we need next?
Probably the grill.
A new grill? I already ordered one a long time ago and it's not showed up yet. Anything else?
Windshield, headlights, lip, spats.
Should we lower it first though? We got to do some coils on this car. I feel like that's the next step. We got to do coils and then we can do the ground effects. The lip, the skirts, the spats, maybe a diffuser for the boys.
Why don't we just put that all on my car?
None of it would fit, dude. I think I'm going to be done on the STI for the day, honestly. I'll link that hood scoop down below, but I have a more important mod for one of the other cars today. We picked up another set of JDM boys for the Evo 8. They're a bit crusty, but we can clean them up just fine with the Cerakote headlight restoration kit. So I had a set on that car. I ended up selling them, and I got another set now because I missed them. I actually got 2 sets in. I don't know why. So as soon as Bobby is done cleaning her car in here, we can go grab the Evo 8, pull it in here. Actually, in the meantime, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the headlight lens restoration right now. It's a little bit easier off the car, nothing to tape off. This here is what we're gonna be using. I'll link this down below, $25 on Amazon. Absolutely amazing. I'll show you guys a before and after. Well, there's a good example of a before and after, but let's go bang out these Evo 8 headlights, and then we can get Bobby's car out of the shop, pull the Evo 8 down here, and swap out the US headlights for the JDM ones. So here's a before and after. That's a before. Honestly, I've seen much worse lenses in my life, and here is an after. Literally perfect. The Cerakote headlight restoration is definitely the kit I found that produces the best result. Not only that, it is very, very easy to use. So if you guys want to pick one of these up, I'll link it down below. 25 bucks on Amazon, 3 easy steps. Takes about 15 minutes per headlight, and they'll look like that when you're all finished up. I'm gonna bang out the other headlight real quick, and then we can pull the Evo 8 down into the shop, get these headlights swapped out. I'm really excited to get the JDMs back on that car. Like I said, I do have 2 sets, so if someone on here is looking for a set of JDMs, shoot me a DM over on Instagram. So a few bolts for the bumper, a few bolts for the headlights, and we can get our stock headlights or the OEM modified headlights swapped out for the JDMs. Those headlights look so freaking good on 8s and 9s. They're expensive, but I think they are well worth it. Hopefully soon this car will be looking a little bit better. Hopefully something like this, that'd be sick to have like an Evo, a Subi, both looking really, really nice someday soon. You just looking at it? All clean? What's wrong? Don't say it. Don't say you're starving. Are you starving?
I don't want to say it.
I have a surprise for you. Which one's better?
The Evo.
By a mile?
10 miles.
Do you think maybe one day the STi will look like the Evo?
Better.
What are you doing?
Just
Bored in the house bored?
waiting for you. Dressing in your clothes and stuff.
I hate when you wear my clothes. You're probably gonna get some stains on it.
I don't think you're ever gonna wear this again in your life. I found it in the back of your closet.
Whatever, it looks better on you anyway.
Thanks, House.
Cheers. I have a secret.
Okay.
What if I told you there's a big turbo for your car sitting in the shop right now, a brand new one? Also, what would you say if I accidentally stole it and put it on my STI?
I'm taking my pot and I'm going home.
Shout outs to, who was it, Jonathan?
Jonathan for the new pot.
Big Fuego. Shout outs to Jonathan for the spaghetti pot. You know who you are. Smoke him out, boy! What a freaking goon. Should we go race Austin? Slam them gears, Haas.
I can't, honestly, I don't know how to in a slow car.
It's not slow. This is your issue. You gotta put her in sport sharp.
Oh, okay.
Now she can tread the gnar.
Okay.
Question, real quick. Are we gonna do a rotated turbo kit or stock location?
In this car.
Yeah.
Rotated means like up front, right?
No, it just means it's rotated. It's just a lot easier to like work on, but it's gonna be expensive.
No. We're doing stock location.
Stock locations are for the girls. Rotated's for the boys.
I understand.
Okay, it's a good example actually. My Evo, right? I have a top mount
What
EPS
Evo?
kit. The 10. But yours had a stock location on your 10. Remember my turbo versus your turbo removal?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah.
I mean, that's up to you. You're the one that's going to be working on that. So.
I don't want to pay for it though. You can pay for it. All right, guys, I'll have that scoop link down below. I'll have the headlight restoration kit link down below. I know today was a bit short. I apologize. I'll see you guys tomorrow.